What's up, guys? Today we'll be going on a John boat in stormy weather. This is gonna be our first video of the John Boat Pros. This group consists of us. Say hi, everybody. Yeah. Anyways, we go on John boat whenever it's stormy. Like we had a tornado warning earlier. We're gonna be going on the John boat. Yeah, and I'll just check in with you guys when we get there. I'll pick up the camera when we get there, and yeah. Okay, guys, so we finally got on the water. As you can see, about to start storming. Got them, got the driver up there, and yeah. We're nervous. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. Should be a good time.
Anything here, I found here. The motor was like 70.
That was a tornado warning. You guys read right, and we're out here. Whoa! It said take shelter. He is getting mad. He is getting mad. He wants to go back, but we're John Boat Pros. So, as right now, I'm just kind of enjoying my chips. Yeah. What are we doing? Go to the trail. Go to the trail for it. We can. So I'm checking next time anything cool happens. Okay, guys. So that bridge right there, we're probably gonna dock up under for about a few minutes. As you can see, only ones on the lake. This lake is pretty popular usually. It's massive redfish in it. But guys, let's just say it's about to go down. Holy crap, guys! We scratched the idea of parking under the dock, and we're getting into open lake. Look at that.
Look how dark it is.
Look how dark that's
Birds
going.
are swimming away from that.
Holy crap! Look at that. Here, I'm gonna flip the camera. Look at that. Guys, comment down below if you want to be with us. We'll feature you in a video. You live in our area. Look at this. That's pretty crazy.
What is that?
Here, introduce yourself. Go to introduce yourself.
Where is it at?
Yeah, well, yeah, that's.
How do you like the weather at?
These are the John Boat and Storm Chasing Pros. Right here. Whole squad. I'm the main person, I'm the vlogger. That's kind of the driver. Carter Max, just our music. People who are weird, you know. But look at that.
We are done.
These are the people. Kid in blue shirt right there, he's getting mad. And the jacket over there, he wants to stay. And this kid, I don't really know what he wants to do.
It is about to start.
Me on the other end, I chase storms. I don't run. Guys, this is a lot more dark in person, but I don't know if you can see this.
They are way.
Let's go. Go. No, where are we going? Dude, this is pretty sick.
Leave!
Guys,
Hello.
look at that. Guys, so we're actually going to have to tip on this one. This storm is lit. This one was really bad. Holy crap, guys. I don't know if you can feel it. Oh my god. Nail on this one. Jesus! It's getting falling off the boat! Guys, come on the boat! Holy crap! One of the most gnarliest things I've ever done. Guys! Come down! All the way! We gotta make a run for it here. Guys! That got fast, bad. I mean, that got bad fast. Gotta shelter up right here. Oh, guys, that, oh my God, we have to take shelter right here. We have to get on land and just run. We gotta run. Wait, there's the keys on the boat. Sorry for my hair, guys.
Yeah, run after this car, go.
Literally on the street right now. Trying to get back to our girlfriend. I don't know what just happened. What's gonna happen to the John boat? What is it you think about the situation? Holy crap. Guys, that escalated fast. Oh, that John boat is gonna be suffering bad. Look at that. That's crazy. Freaking hurricane out here. I'm John boat. What kind of stupid idea was that? Guys, I promise in the next videos we'll actually stay out. They won't be as bad as this. And we'll probably stay out there longer in the next videos. But I don't know what to tell you about this. Literally a hurricane. I think it's a hurricane. Which is a really bad storm. Guys, oh my God. The GoPro's on the boat, the battery, everything's on the boat. We have to ditch it. Go, 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 go!
Go. Keep going.
Guys,
I told you to freaking go in.
that was really bad. We have to leave. Hey guys, what are we gonna do with John boat?
Go get in the car
We'll
later.
go get it later, but guys,
Oh, get all the stuff.
that was bad. Let's just say that was bad. There's an old dude running. Yep. I'll probably check in with you guys whenever we go get John boat. Or like whenever we get home. Okay guys, sorry for this bad quality. It got rained on, but we're going to check on the boat.
Yes, me and Marsh can take the boat back, but I don't know if I'm blaming them. Oh, look, it's fine.
It's clearing up a little, supposed to come back in an hour or two.
It's not going to be as bad.
We're about to be at the boat where we left it.
It's not going to be nearly as bad.
And yeah, I'll just check in when
So
we
should
get
I
there.
pull up right here, maybe?
No, guys, it's still raining. We're going to check. We're here on the lake. As you can see, this is where we rain. That shelter right there. The boat is still there. We're gonna have to probably drive it back. I'm gonna probably film that. But holy crap, that is. Look at that, guys. This video is probably the most crazy one we ever done. It's actually our first one. Pretty good banger for our first video.
Not driving the boat back.
Yeah, we got lighting. We got the duck. Carter, what do you have to say about the situation?
Pretty scary, you know.
He's really
Gotta do what
shook.
we gotta
He's
do.
really shook from this. This experience.
Marsh, grab the other side of the boat. I'll plug that.
I gotta get the GoPro. Crap, sorry guys for that.
Get that off.
What the heck?
Marsh,
Where
grab the other side.
am I?
Mars, quit breaking.
Freaking, I don't know what happened. We're not going back in this. We have the dock's over there where we leave the boat, but the boat's right here. We gotta get it over there somehow. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work. Whoa! 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 Freaking, I don't know what happened. We're not going back in this. We have the dock's over there where we leave the boat, but the boat's right here. We gotta get it over there somehow. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work.
Okay, that's good. Put it down there.
Guys, this is crazy. Worse than most hurricanes we ever had. Guys, what the heck's happening? What the heck's happening? Oh, whoa. The wind got really strong, picked up, and flipped the boat so no water gets up. Tied on that postman.
Got the screwdriver.
Okay, that's good. Guys, cars are starting to come back. This is gonna be pretty crazy. Probably check in whenever we get the boat. Whenever we get on the boat next. The damage from this is just really sad. We just saw
Saw
fallen
15
trees. About 30 of them. It's really extraordinary. Sad what's happening to the world right now. It's really windy here. Like, really windy. Like,